Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this brilliant Vauxhall Insignia 1.5 Turbo GPF SRI VX Line Nav Grand Sport. Now this vehicle has currently done 34,581 miles and it's finished in the colour dark moon blue. It's a very stylish and practical saloon vehicle. It sits nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. Here in the boot you'll find 490 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,450 with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you'll find your gorgeous part leather interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Here at front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction flat bottom steering wheel. Round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. To the left of the steering wheel here you do have your cruise control. You also have your front collision warning system. To the right you'll find controls for adjusting the trip display that you have in the instrument cluster. In the centre of the dashboard you'll find your touchscreen infotainment system. This provides access to DAB, FM and AM radio, or you can connect your own source of audio with USB, Bluetooth and auxiliary input. You do have your phone connectivity through Bluetooth, and there is also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to keep you well connected with your smartphone and use applications. The system does have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You also have your system and vehicle settings available to you here on the system. You can also access your climate control here on the display, with some physical controls just below the display as well. You have the automatic dual zone. There is also a reverse camera as well as front and rear sensors to make parking super easy. You've got two cup holders there that can be hidden away with a compartment. You have your lane departure warning system, start stop system and a button for your parking sensors as well. And there is your automatic gear selector.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.